It's very exciting. Our partnerships have evolved over the last 5 years that I've been here. We started off with a few advocacy groups like Leukemia and Lymphoma Society or Joslin Diabetes Group, and we're doing one-off programs. Over the years, we started to do more and more with each one of these advocacy groups, a few more programs every year, then growing it the next year through our outcomes, but also the groups themselves, from a handful of advocacy groups to over 100 advocacy groups. This is amazing, and this is very unique to Platform Q. It's very important for our education that if we're going to talk about leukemia, we talk to Leukemia Society. So they've grown over time to almost 100. Some of these partners have grown into exclusive strategic partnerships. That means they do all of their education with us. So we become a real partner to the group, developing curriculum, thinking of what else we can do for the patient and the provider. But something very interesting happened this year. When I took a look at the 100 advocacy groups, we thought, why not bring them together? Why not take the kidney group, introduce them to the diabetes group, introduce them to the cardiology group, all for the betterment of the patient. So now we can do a curriculum across therapeutic areas and how it affects our patients. Another area might be CMSC. I went to the Multiple Sclerosis Society meeting, and I heard from the patients that depression was their #1 challenge. So I said, let's introduce them to our DBSA group, Depression Bipolar Society. Put them together, and now our education is talking to the patient. Think of the outcomes we can get. Think of where we can go this year with 100 advocacy groups to bring them together.